Think you're a math master? Think again. Get ready for the ultimate math challenge. Only the sharpest minds will survive. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more brain-busting quizzes. 119 plus 99 equals? $218. 578 minus 231 equals? $347. If 10 gallons of gas cost $50, how much would 7 gallons cost? $35. 24 divided by 3 equals? It's 8. 127 plus 123 equals? It's 250. 11 times 9 equals? The answer is 99. 67.8 plus 55.4 equals? $123.2. What is 25% of $240? $60. 81 divided by 9 equals? $9. If 4 pounds of apples cost $12, how much would 9 pounds cost? $27. 238 plus 311 equals? $549. 369 minus 147 equals? It's 222. 73.9 plus 62.5 equals? $136.4. 81.0 plus 70.2 equals? It's 151.2. 72 divided by 8 equals? $9. 540 plus 233 equals? $773. 661 plus 119 equals? It's $780. A $40 pair of shoes is on sale for 15% off. What's the sale price? $34. 741 minus 528 equals? The answer is 213. 16 times 5 equals? The answer is 80. 94.3 plus 81.7 equals? $176. 10.5 plus 12.3 equals? $22.8. 562 plus 181 equals? The answer is 743. If 7 movie tickets cost $84, how much would 5 movie tickets cost? $60. 296 minus 183 equals? $113. 21.7 plus 18.9 equals? $40.6. 45 divided by 5 equals? $9. What is 20% of $950? $190. A $120 dress is 25% off. What is the final price? $90. 22 times 3 equals? The answer is 66. 34.2 plus 25.6 equals? The answer is 59.8. 778 plus 312 equals? $1090. 60 divided by 6 equals? $10. A $60 toy is discounted by 30%. How much will it cost on sale? $42. 853 minus 421 equals? $432. 891 plus 443 equals? $1334. 13 times 7 equals? $91. 164 minus 72 equals? $92. What is 75% of $400? $300. 1100 plus 992 equals? The answer is 2092. Well done, everyone! Which question did you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more brain teasers, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next challenge. Thanks for watching!